are finally in Wisconsin. It's like 2 hours journey from Chicago, and we drove last night with my brother-in-law. And yeah, so we are at his place right now. And it's actually, let me tell you the weather here. Actually, it's surprisingly not cold because Chicago and nearby areas are like considered as extreme cold places. And we were expecting snow this time, but yeah, it hasn't snowed yet. And then the temperature is 56 degree Fahrenheit. So it's around 13 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I don't know, I could be wrong. So let's see. Today what we've planned is because it's almost midday and we had our breakfast late, and we don't have much to do because we got up late and then had our breakfast late. We are thinking to go to nearby places, like there are few lakes, Pewaukee Lake, and there are few more lakes. And then in the evening we might go to see the Christmas decorations. That's also like pretty close. So to tell you, right now we are in Wisconsin and Milwaukee City, not city, Milwaukee County. I hope you guys missed me. Yeah, because I'm talking to you after a long time. It's been around more than 1 week, I would say. I was busy, and then yeah, I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys. I was busy in my driving sessions, and then there were a lot of things going on the background. And we finally made it to Chicago, and I just want to relax and roam. So guys, are you ready? तो guys, हम घूमने जा रहे हैं, तो आपको तो घुमाएंगे ही. देखते हैं, बहुत सारी जगह जाएंगे, and I'll try to cover as much as I can. And yeah, I mean tomorrow and day after we have good plans. We are going to Chicago City, and there's a lot to visit in Chicago because it's a big city. And then the downtown area, and then there's a river which goes within the city. There's a river tour there, and then there are few high-rise buildings where they take us to the rooftop. I'm sorry, I'll tell you the names very soon. And yeah, we have a lot to do. Yep, guys, so now as you can see, we are moving towards Pewaukee Lake, which is in Waukesha County. And the fact about this lake is this is considered as the largest lake in that county, and it's like approximately 5 miles, or you can say 8 kilometers long and 1 mile wide. So you can just imagine how huge this lake is. And every year, I mean, national sailing events, they keep taking place. And yeah, so here you can see we try to click some good pictures through the drone. And yep, so this lake is very popular within Milwaukee area because people love to go for fishing and boating, and yeah, there are different activities there. Yeah, so this is after we visited the lake. We tried to cover some Christmas decorations. We tried to click pictures outside the houses, and yeah, people don't mind, so that was fun. After that, we went to Madison City, and this is Wisconsin State Capitol building, and that was a nice infra which we got to see there. Yeah guys, so now we have come to the most important part of this video which I really wanted to show you. So this is called the river tour. So you could book the tickets in advance and make sure you plan it accordingly. And let me tell you more about this river tour. This tour includes Chicago's most famous historic and modern landmarks, including for example Willis Tower, which is the tallest building within the city, Navy Pier, and yeah, there are different buildings. So basically it covers more than 50 buildings within this tour, and you can imagine, I mean, how much fun it would have been for us. So yep, I think it was for 90 minutes or so. Yeah, but I'll share details. If you want me to, you could just put down in the comment section what you really want to know about this. And you know, guys, the most fun part was to sit and listen to the host and the way they tell you the stories behind each building's infrastructure and how they were built was so amazing. They were so friendly and entertaining. They will not even let you drop your attention for a single second. So you can imagine. So guys, you can see now we are driving towards the Willis Tower. That is the tallest building within the city. So that building has a glass balcony and which is extended 4 feet outside the building, and they give you like 2-3 minutes, I think minimum 2 minutes, to go and click pictures. So guys, there is another part coming up in the next video. Make sure you watch it and like the video, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe. Bye.